Hey everyone, Ashley here, and today we have Samsung's latest flagship, the S25 Ultra to unbox. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So the box is what we're used to. I did purchase their exclusive pink gold color, and I think these colors up here are representative of their exclusive colors. If anyone has just a regular one, let me know if you have this coloring up here. I'd be curious. But let's take a look, see what's inside. Okay, there it is, the pink gold. And so far, it really just looks gold. I don't really see any pink quite yet, but it could also be my studio lighting. Not too sure. But it is beautiful. I don't think it was a surprise that I ordered this color. I'm into anything pink or goldish, but I'm pretty happy with this choice so far. So let's see what else we have in the box, which is probably what we're used to. So we have our SIM ejector tool, little terms and conditions booklet, and your USB-C to USB-C cable. Still no charger in the box, but this is what we're used to. It is what it is. Okay, so first impressions. It's definitely a big phone, but we know that with the Ultra. Obviously, we have our flat sides and our rounded off corners. So it's less boxy, which I prefer. I didn't really love the sharp corners and the whole boxiness of the S24 Ultra. So let's go ahead and put them side by side. So yeah, I don't love the corner here. So I do like they rounded it off, but it is still kind of boxy. It's not a true roundness that we get with like the S25 Plus or anything like that. Again, nice color, nice design so far. The camera housing looks a little bit thicker. Put them side by side on camera. I don't know how well that's going to show. And now with the S25, we are getting bumped up to a 6.9 inch display, up from the 6.8 on the S25. And Samsung also slimmed the bezels down about 15%. So let's take off this. It's always so satisfying. I don't know if you can see, but we still have the anti-reflective coating, which was a big hit with the S24 Ultra. I think, oh, this is dirty. I think Samsung said that this is their new coating, so it should eliminate glares more. I don't know. We'll just have to see once we start testing it out. But so far, I really like the design. I've been waiting for rounded corners. If you remember the S21 Ultra, I think that was peak design. It just had those round corners and it just looked really nice. I miss that phone so much and I wish they would bring back the design, but I think we're getting closer with this one. I am really happy about it. So let's get it powered on. Hopefully we have some juice. There we go. Okay, so while the phone is booting up, let's talk about protecting this phone. I love the way that the phone looks caseless, but I dropped my phone way too much to risk it. That's why I'm excited that CASETiFY, the sponsor of today's video, sent over a galaxy of accessories for the S25 Ultra. So CASETiFY makes some of the most durable and stylish cases, and luckily they sent me over 4 that I can choose from. So let's take a look just to showcase a few of their designs that they have available for you. And if you've never seen CASETiFY's website, just know that there are options for everyone, because I think you can get lost on their website trying to choose something. Let's go ahead and go one by one. But look at this one. That is so cute. And it does have MagSafe, so we'll take a look at that too in a bit, because they did send over some MagSafe accessories, but this feels really nice and obviously fits very snug. So that's this one. And we also have this one that I absolutely love. I was able to customize it with my name. So you can go to their website, customize your own case, put whatever name you want on it. You can choose, I think, between 2 fonts, and of course the color and just how you want it. You can choose to have the MagSafe with the customized case, but I liked the clean look of just having it like this. So that's how I customized mine. But you can definitely take a look at their website to see how you can customize your own. Then we have this nice blue one that I think complements the color really well. Look at that. And then of course, again, that MagSafe. With the S25 Ultra and just the S25 series in general, you do have to use a case in order to get MagSafe capability, but the good thing is CASETiFY has you covered in that aspect. And I think this is the case I'm going to settle with for now. Look at that. It is so cute, little bows. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And I think it just meshes really well with the color of the phone. But honestly, I mean, it's clear we have the little bows. This would go with any phone color that you choose. So that is great. But let's take a look at the MagSafe accessories. So here I have the snappy card holder stand, of course, MagSafe compatible. And there we go, that's how it goes on there. Even their accessories, you can basically get any design. That's really neat too. This one, you can go ahead and put some cards in there, and then it also doubles as a stand. Look at that. That is so functional. I like that. I've had cases in the past where you could put your cards, but they don't double as a stand. I think this is gonna be super handy for on the go. I don't wanna take a big purse or anything, so just being able to quickly put my cards in there, I'm definitely gonna use this. Now we have the snappy grip stand. Ooh, that is so cute. So you can use it just like this. It's really comfortable to hold. Go on social media, scroll, be in bed, making sure you don't drop your phone on your face. So that's neat. And then boom, props up, watch a little movie, and it stays in place really easily. Let's see. Yep, you're at work, have to work on the computer, just prop your little phone up there, put on Netflix while you're working. Don't tell me you don't do that, because I know we all do. So let's see, it's pretty strong. It's not necessarily going to pop off. Definitely think it's a good strength. If you're looking to protect your S25 Ultra in style, CASETiFY has got you covered. And the best part, they're offering 15% off for my viewers. Go to the description box and click the link. It's casetify.com/techwithashley to get 15% off your order today. And thanks again to CASETiFY for sponsoring this portion of the video. Take this off for now, just so we can admire the back. I think it's turned on now. Okay, so yeah, it is. Now we have Now Breathe. That is with One UI 7. I'm gonna be honest, I'm super excited for that. But turning it on, Galaxy AI, unlock a healthier you, get a personalized briefing with suggested content and actions that change throughout the day. Health Assist, so get personalized insights and guidance based on your health data, which I have the Galaxy Watch 7. I'll connect that at some point. Enhance your communication, get real-time translation during calls. We'll just briefly go through this. So what's also new is auto eraser. I know a lot of people were excited about that one. Eliminate distracting noise in videos by adjusting the volume of voices, wind, and other sounds. So definitely excited to test that one out in the future. And then of course, photo assist, draw assist, all of that cool stuff. So let me sign in real quick. Okay, so have a joyful day, get a personalized briefing that changes throughout the day. There's really not a lot here just because it just doesn't have anything yet. So meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. So I think now on all Samsung devices, you can go ahead and hold down the power button and get Gemini AI like that. So that's cool. I think with purchasing the S25 series, you will get 6 months free of Gemini Live. Then after that, you have to pay. So that's the only downside, but I've used Gemini Live with the Pixel 9 Pro XL and it's pretty cool. I like being able to have like just your conversational type questions with it. Definitely cool. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Apparently I'm in Washington, so that's cool. I just set this up as like a brand new phone yet, so I haven't transferred everything over. I will later, but didn't really want to take the time to do that. So when you first get any new Samsung phone, and by default, you'll have these navigation buttons at the bottom. Personally, I don't like that. I like the gestures, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that. So we will go to display. Oh, turn that off. Navigation bar, and I'm gonna do swipe gestures. So now I can swipe back. Now, on that note, one thing I almost forgot, but glad I saw it here. Whenever you get a new phone with Samsung, I don't know why they do this. Obviously, I didn't transfer anything over from the S24 Ultra over to this one, but if I did, this still wouldn't have transferred over. So if once you get your new phone in hand, make sure you do this. The screen resolution by default, for some reason, is always on Full HD+. If you want to keep it on that, fine. You'll probably get better battery life than switching it up, but I like to rock QHD+. We have it. It gives you better visuals. Why not? Again, I don't know why out of the box they probably do it for the better battery life. If I had to guess, someone who just gets the phone doesn't really know that they have to change it. They're using it, you know, ignorance is bliss. They're like, wow, I'm getting great battery life. Little do they know, they're not really getting the sharpest display. I don't know. That's all I can think of. Nonetheless, you do get Quad HD+, so definitely use it. It's nice. And Samsung did say that this year, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is obviously what we have in here, and it is optimized for this phone, for Galaxy devices, you are gonna see a more efficient processor, because we still have the same 5,000 milliamp hour battery that we do on the S24 Plus, the S24 Ultra, so that efficiency. And then we also have a new vapor chamber in the S25 Ultra. That should also help with that heat dissipation and longevity for that battery life. And as I mentioned, for the Snapdragon 8 Elite, we have that on the S25 Ultra. And the good news is it is in every country. We don't have to worry about Exynos being in some regions, North America just getting Snapdragon and so forth. If you are buying the S25 Ultra, wherever you are located, you will get the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Other than that, not too much is different, if I'm gonna be honest. If you have the S24 Ultra, you should probably just keep it. I mean, obviously, I'm doing the video. I did buy this. Full disclosure, I bought this with my own money. I am trading in the S24 Ultra. I pre-ordered through Samsung, so they do have pretty good trade-in deals. I think by the time this video goes out, you'll still have an opportunity to pre-order the device since it comes out on February 7th. If you're watching this video after the release, hopefully they still have some decent trade-ins. But I was able to get, I think like 900 trade-in because I am in the US. Why not? And I also do these videos for y'all. So I am trading this in, paid my hard-earned cash for this. But outside of that, unless you just like the newest tech, you're probably good with your S24 Ultra. Unless you just like the new design. I mean, I don't know if that alone is a reason to upgrade, but it's your money, you could do what you want. So this year on the S25 Ultra, the cameras are pretty much the same with the exception of the ultra wide camera. We are getting an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra wide. You'll be able to get sharper images with this phone. But everything else remains the same outside of the processing. And then we still have the S Pen, but as many of you may have seen, there is some controversy with this one because Samsung removed the Bluetooth capability. So you're no longer able to use it as a shutter button or anything like that. Although Samsung did mention that I think about 1% of consumers actually utilize that. So I know I didn't use it, but my aunt has an S23 Ultra and she loved that feature. I mean, she's not gonna upgrade, so she's fine. But I'm curious if you use or like the Bluetooth capability of the S Pen, and are you disappointed that they're getting rid of that? Let me know in the comments below. But we still have the S Pen and that's there. And if you've watched any of my other Samsung unboxings, I do like to update the theme when I get a new device, because I feel like a lot of people don't really know about Galaxy themes. But you can go here to the top. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go to wallpapers. I don't wanna change the whole theme, but I'll go to free and oh, look, that one's pretty cute. That one will be good for Valentine's Day coming up. I think I had this one last year, but I love it that much. Let's go ahead and add that. I'll add my widgets later. There we go. That is so cute. So that's one way you can just quickly change the look of your Galaxy device, and you can even download icons and things like that. They have some free versions, some paid versions, so definitely take a look at that. But that's gonna be it for my unboxing of the S25 Ultra. And again, huge thanks to CASETiFY for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get 15% off your next order. But if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech-related content. And let me know down in the comments if you purchased an S25 series phone. It doesn't even have to be the Ultra. Which one you purchased, what color. I'm really curious to see this year what the popular colors are. So let me know down in the comments. And if you have any questions, definitely drop them below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.